Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I know you're located in Charlotte and also service the Charleston area and have an office there, I believe. But I was focusing on the Charleston market and did the most popular keyword search, Charleston Pest Control Companies, and this is what comes up on the first page. Usually there's some ads there. Here's what's called the map section. Then you get into the organic rankings. This is just a business directory. Here's a competitor, another business directory, competitor, and 80% of all new searches choose one of the top three search results, or certainly somebody on the first page. Think about your own searches and how many times do you go past the first page, and usually go with somebody on the first page. And but I did look for you, and I found you back on page 6, down here a little bit, right here. And I did a search for Charlotte Pest Control Companies and found you back there on page 4. So you performed a little bit better in Charlotte than Charleston as far as the ranking results. But anyway, I went to your website, see what I could offer you to help with. And first of all, your site really pops, looks nice. Blue's my favorite color, so I like seeing that. But as far as content and everything, there's a little bit of content here. Hopefully your images, your web person is putting in the image alt tags to signal Google for that and to rank you higher. But why does Google rank sites high? Well, the biggest thing is Google looks at trust. Can they trust your site? And think about it, because they are in it for the end user experience, you and me. When we do a search for whatever, we want to find what we're looking for. We want to find it immediately, and we want to be able to trust what comes up on the results to be what we're looking for. So in other words, when we click on that site at the top, we want it to be accurate and authoritative and be a good match for what we searched for. So what does Google do to make that happen? One thing that they do is they look at your title tag. So we put your URL in our metadata extractor. This is what comes out. Typically that's what comes out on the blue line, which is your title tag. This is the description down here in black. But Google likes to see the name of the city first, and then the keyword that people are searching for. So like Charleston Pest Control Companies being the main keyword search, if you put Charleston Pest Control Company in a vertical line and then Aruza Pest Control or Pest of Charleston afterwards, then that would be fine. You have 72 characters to play with, but you want to prioritize what you put first to be congruent with what people are searching for. Same with your heading tags. This tells Google or signals to Google what you want to rank for. So in your first heading, you're telling Google you want to rank for $100 off, which I would venture to say you'll get boosted up in the rankings if you try to rank for Charleston Pest Control Companies on your website. So if you go to where your heading is and again put in Charleston Pest Control and the name of your company, get $100 off, or request an appointment or whatever afterwards, then that'll help boost your rankings there. So those are just a couple of things you can do. We can get you ranked in Charlotte and Charleston. There's other things with citations and content that we can help you with. Just want to point those things out that you can do on your own, or we'll be glad to help you. Just reply to the email, and be glad to talk to you. Thanks. Have a good day.